Hi guys, I'm going to be testing out this extravagant slime kit. It's by Nickelodeon. It's the Super Slime Studio and it looks like an entire slime factory in a box. That's what intrigued me to buying this. By the way, no company sent me this for free. I just wanted to test it out, although it'd be really cool if you can hook a sister up with some free products or not. So it comes with a slime station thingy. It also comes with various glitters, color paints, and a lot of accessories, some stickers, and a really colorful instruction sheet. This mixing bottle. It comes with clear glue and 2 activator bottles. These are nicely labeled. I really like the bottles. Containers and mixing utensils. Comes with 2 white glues, and these are 2 fluid ounces per bottle, but for some reason this one seems heavier than this, so I don't know if they just purposely didn't fill this one up or it spilled, but nothing leaked in the box or whatever, so I'm not sure about that. The first thing that I want to do is, of course, set up the station. So far, I really like the station, but I wish that there were covers for these so that they won't spill everywhere, because what if you want to transport this to somewhere else? And now let's fill in the rest of the circles. So obviously this is the big thing. This goes in the middle. And we have to insert this spinny thing on top. Oh, there you go. Next we have the activators. I'm trying to match what they put in the circles with the picture on the box, exactly. I like to do that. Then we have the clear glue, and then they have this little measuring cup right here, and then they put the slime containers in here. And then this is the finished product. Okay, instructions. Number 1, unscrew the crank top of the mixer so it is open. Put the crank top aside. Number 2, measure 15 milliliters of clear glue using the supplied measuring cup and pour it into the open top of the mixer. Scrape down the walls of the measuring cup to get as much glue out as possible. Next step, measure 25 milliliters of room temperature water, pour it into the mixer with the glue. Make it fun. Choose your additive, confetti slime. Add 1 full packet of confetti glitter to the mixer with the glue and water. Now measure 5 milliliters. Oh, okay, we're getting too ahead. Okay, so I guess at this point now it's really customizable to your preference. Let's do the purple glitter right here. This is really pretty. I want to add some beads to this. We're gonna make it a crunchy glitter slime. Okay, and then it says to place the crank top back on the mixer and twist it on until it is sealed. Slowly turn the crank with one hand while holding the mixer firmly in your other hand. But okay, yes. We're going to mix it all up now. It is nice and tight. We can spin it. Ooh. Ooh. It actually looks really satisfying. Now measure 5 milliliters of slime activator solution and pour it into the opening at the top of the crank top. Slowly turn the crank while holding. Okay, yeah. Don't forget the seal. One thing I do like about this is that it's definitely makes it less messy. Oh, okay. Okay, here are my thoughts on this. I feel like if I add more activator, it's not really gonna make a difference because I've added quite a bit of activator already and it's still kind of watery feeling and sticky. No, was I out of focus this whole time? I've added so much activator to this tiny slime and it's still like goopy mess. Okay, let's try out the white glue. And then I'm going to add some pink coloring to this. I'm just gonna use the whole thing. Okay, so this is the final result of the slime and oh my god, oh yeah. Okay, I'm good now. I'm very good. So this is the final result of the slime that I made and it's overactivated, so I am gonna add a bit of lotion to this to soften it up, but look at the color, it is so vibrant and almost neon. Hi guys, I'm back. My battery died, so I had to wait for it to get charged again. So here's the slime, and I did add a bit of lotion because it was overactivated. Oh, I just love when you can see the indent of the lid. Okay. Alright, it's still overactivated, but let's just call this putty. It's like fun to hold. I can see why they ask you to add water because I think this activator is really strong. I'm not sure, but when I added it to the clear glue one, it just didn't get thicker at all. I think judging from that, I'm gonna try it again. Let's try this again. Let's try the clear glue one again. Okay, this time I'm actually going to add the glitter last because I noticed like the glitter gets everywhere in the container and it's just really messy. It's such a hassle to clean it as opposed if it didn't have glitter. We have 15 milliliters of clear glue. Alrighty, I have my 15 milliliters of water right here. Okay, I'm actually going to do 7.5 instead. Okay, it's spilling, it's spilling, it's spilling. That is so weird. Because when I added like way more water for the first time I tested this out, and then I added the glitter, the water was fully mixed. I am so confused. So now I'm going to add the confetti and glitter. Let's add the gold glitter. Next, let's add the silver glitter. Let's go ahead and add some confetti. I just want to hop on here and say that this is much better than the first slime I made with clear glue, and that's obvious, but I just find it strange because it worked for the white glue without water, but then it worked for the clear glue after I tweaked the measurements, so it's not really consistent. Okay, so here are my final thoughts on this slime kit. Overall, I really like it because you get a lot for what you pay for. I paid about $23 for this whole thing. I think it's worth it. For me, these are the top 3 major flaws with this product. Despite getting a lot for your money's worth, this could use some improvements for sure. I had a lot of fun testing this thing out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and I hope you have a lovely day. Okay, bye!